Okay, in this video, we are going to be looking at an example. However, we're gonna need to be able to create that example on our page. All right, so we're gonna be looking at undefined and defined terms, examples. And I'm gonna start by giving you a tutorial on how to draw planes on a two-dimensional surface. So we wanna create a three-dimensional image on a two-dimensional surface. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a rectangle. Now I'm going to begin drawing my second plane. All right, so my second plane, the illusion is going to be that it's coming out towards me. All right, so I'm going to start here, and it's like it's coming out towards me like it's a horizontal plane. And I'm going to connect it here. Okay. And then, because this is supposed to be a solid plane in front of it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the portion of the plane that is hidden a dotted figure. So you can still see the line exists, but now it's dotted. And then I'm going to shade it in as well. I want to make sure that I show that there is a line going through right here. It's like a crease. And then I'm going to shade this in. Now I'm going to add different components to this. So what I've done is I've just added some points. I've added this point A, this point B, and C, and then I added this point X, Y, and Z. Now I'm going to show you some examples of the kinds of questions you could be asked. Okay, so these are 4 questions that you could definitely be asked at an assignment, a quiz, or a test. So we're going to be focusing on naming and intersection. So give another name for line XY. The only reason I didn't have that is because I can't type the symbol, but there we go. For line XY. And another name for line XY, if I look at X and Y right here, I see there are several things that I could do. I could instead use the point Z to name it. So I could call it line ZX or line ZY, or I could just switch the X and Y around, and that's still the same name for that line. Name the intersection of plane ABC and XDZ. So those are the blue and yellow planes, and I can see again they intersect at this line here. All right, this crease that we drew is their point of intersection. All right, so I could use any of these names that I had up here. And I, for fun, am going to do ZY. Why do I consider that fun? I don't know. Okay, we want to name 3 collinear points, so 3 points that lie on the same line. That would be X, Z, and Y. And I want to make sure I put a point symbol before each of them. And then I want to name 4 non-coplanar points. So I want points that are on both the blue and the yellow. So I'm going to start with D, because I see that's on the blue plane. Then I'm going to do A, because that's on the yellow plane. And then I can pick any other ones. So I'm going to do Z and B. Okay.